So today we have a Game Boy Advanced. It's the original one. I already pulled the board out. Our customer here attempted an audio mod and it stopped powering on. So I already got the board out, so we're just going to put it under the microscope and we'll take a look and see what's going on. So let's go under now. The first point of interest I'm curious about is just the fuse. It's pretty common. So I got my meter in continuity mode, so it'll beep when these two probes touch. You may not be able to hear the beeping, but let's see. Let's just probe both sides. And that's no good. We can confirm the switch continuity. Let's see. Oops, I have it on. There we go. If I flip it off. Yeah, that's good. It's good. Okay, so the switch is good. Got a little bit of solder there. So let's go ahead and we'll be careful. We're going to remove this fuse. And we'll put a new one in place. So this is a little bit of a cramped spot. So I think I'm going to try to come in from the side with my angle tip. And let's see how it goes. I think I'll just do a blob of solder. Just going to come into the side like this. See if I can get in there. There we go. Let me get my tweezers and we'll just pull that part off. No problem. Oops. See if I can. Still kind of stuck there. There we go. Old fuse is off. What I'm going to do, let me get my solder wick, and I'm not going to use hot air because there's that power switch there and I don't want to melt it or anything, cause any damage. So I'm going to wick one of these pads. Cool. Then let me pull out a replacement fuse. This is just it's a fuse. I forgot what the exact rating is, but it's more than enough for this device. So here's what I'll do. I'll just stick it kind of roughly in place. Let me turn the board so I have a better angle on it. And I'll show you what we're going to do. I'm going to grab it from the side. And now I'm going to come in with my iron. And I'm just going to heat up this little blob where the other pad is. Just going to touch it in place. Let's press down. That's that. And we'll just come in and do the other side. Let me put a little more flux, just a little bit. Whoops. There it is. Let's test that with our probes just to make sure it's good to go. Beeping. Good. and we have continuity again. So we'll clean up and let's see if there's any more issues. Alright, so I got it back in the shell with the screen on. I did get an LED light. I just want to see if the screen comes on too. The rear terminals are missing on the back. There's like a little piece that can come out, so I'm just going to bridge it with my tweezers. And I'm seeing screen. Let's see if it plays a game. I got my test game right here, Banjo-Kazooie. God bless. And the speaker's not soldered in either, so I'm going to have to try that as well. Let me see if I can get power here. Just going to see if this is working. It's on. No power now. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Okay. Got power. Let's see if the game comes on. Probably be hard to see. Yes. Alright, game loaded. Alright, then that's it. We're going to call this a fix. It was just a simple fuse replacement. You'd be surprised about how many of these consoles, you know, they have a simple issue like that. It could just be like a bad screen or a bad fuse. It never hurts just to start with the really simple stuff and then work your way up from there. In this case, it was just a fuse, and that's going to be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great one.